This is the South One Villa. Let's go do a mini tour. This is the little living room portion of our room. Coffee table, chairs on either side, and look at this view. We've been looking at this beautiful view for the past few days. Sounds beautiful outside. The clouds are so pretty. And we have our own pool. So this is the outside area and the couches. Pool, I really like this sculpture. There's a pretty water feature over there. And now let's check out this villa. Rotating door, I like that. So this is your entrance. As you walk in, you just see the ocean immediately, which is amazing. You have a table and then also a little thing for you to dry your bathing suits, some lounge chairs, and a beautiful pool. I love this sculpture, and more than anything, I love the ocean. So there's sliding doors everywhere, so you have like a full view, but they also have this door you can go in through. So I just walked in through that door and now I'm going to the right, and here's your bedroom. You have some cookies, and unfortunately I'm a cookie monster, so I've been having too many of these. They also give you chocolate. Nice big mirror. They unpack for you, but they're packing up for us because today's our last day. I really love this coral detail. Desk for whoever wants to work. And your bed. This bed was so comfy. And yeah, just really nice. The blanket and sheets are so soft. And I love the decor. All right, let's go this way. You have your couch, TV, and back to the pool. Let's go check out the bathroom. So you have your closets here, your fridge. They gave us like a bunch of champagne and wine, but we're not really drinking that much, so we'll have to take that with us, I guess. And here's the bathroom. Have some nice, soft, comfy robes. And a double sink. Your toilet is through that door. It's a Toto toilet. And then you come here. You have a nice big shower. And then from your shower, you have this gorgeous view of your hot tub. This hot tub was so freaking hot, you guys, but it was very nice and relaxing. And then you have this like little cozy outdoor space, some couches. Let me grab this bathing suit before I forget it. And then it's nice, they light these fake candles at night. You have a little grassy patch. And you can see the ocean peeking through. Okay, so we just walked in through the front door, and this is the other villa that we are staying at. So we had two villas. Justin's parents were there, Jordan and Andy were here, and then Justin and I had our own villa. But I want to show you guys a tour around this place. They're all on a snorkel right now, but I was kind of nauseous, so I stayed behind. But let's check it out. This place is amazing and beautiful. And it was so cool to have this island all to ourselves. So, yes, this is like a little living room area. Here it is. Nice comfy couch. We watched a movie here on Mother's Day at night, of course. And these beautiful flowers on the table. We'd have breakfast here together sometimes. I really like this. This thing gave me a great idea of what to put on our wedding registry. And the brand is Christoffel, and I look really funny in this reflection. But this is it, it's beautiful. It's just cutlery. And then you have a sink. This way we have a coffee maker and a tea station. And then you have your service entrance here, and the restroom is there. So yeah, this is the common area. I'll show you a quick glimpse of Tracy and Michael's room. So this is Tracy and Michael's room. I'm gonna do just a very quick tour in here just because it's their private room. You could enter in through these glass doors, but you also have a regular entrance. Right when you walk in, the toilet's there, and then you have the double sink and the closet. And then also, just like mine and Justin's room, you have a hot tub. Here it is, and a shower. Here is the hot tub area. Nice hot tub. I really love this stone. And then beautiful view of like a little garden area and ocean. Okay, so clearly I think that's Michael's stuff. And then I think they hung up Tracy's stuff here. And they also have some snacks and a desk. And here's their bed. Let's head outside to the pool. Their pool is massive. Our pool was pretty big too for a room just with one bedroom. So here is some couches, lounge chairs, and if you go down this way, you can access the beach. There's the hot tub. So they have these so you can wash your feet off. And I like that they have this area over here. Just like cozy little spot to sit and like a little garden area to walk through. So yeah, here you go. Lots of trees in this area, and then you can access the beach through there. We should have dinner here. And while I'm here, I might as well show you guys the beach. We have this nice little grassy spot over here. The outdoor shower. I love outdoor showers. It's so special when you're on vacation and you have an outdoor shower. And it would be so cool if you could just have one at your house. Here is the beach. The Philippines is beautiful. Let's head back to the room. And here is the pool. It's so big and very cool. It wraps around over here, and then you have kind of like a floating little gazebo with some shade. And lastly, Jordan and Andy left, so we're actually staying in this room for a night. So I will show you around. Here is the bathroom, and they actually moved our stuff over, which is really nice. So we have our clothes here. The shower is this way. This room does not have a hot tub, but it does have this very cozy little living room area with like a little garden and a view of the ocean. And finally, more views of the ocean with some cute little seating area. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this 2-bedroom villa on Banwa Island. And it's been incredible staying here. It's very beautiful, luxurious, modern, amazing. I'll see you guys in my next video. We're about to head over to go do some boxing, but we wanted to take a look at this view because it'll be much darker when we leave.